Hey you guys, so today I'm back with another Get Ready With Me. Usually when I stay up late watching makeup videos the night before, I wake up feeling hella extra and I just want to overdo it for the day. So that's exactly what we're doing today. I've already washed my face, brushed my teeth. As you can see, I moisturized and now I'm just going to throw some primer on my face before we get started. For foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible. This is the shade Caramel Beige. I have found that it is a little bit too light for my skin. I fix it here, it's fine. I just put on my bronzer and it works. But I think I am gonna purchase the Classic Tan and then possibly mix the two together. I remember when I very first started using this, I had to do that. I've gotten a lot lighter since I've moved to Texas just because of the weather has been crazy, but not light enough it seems. So I will be probably purchasing that Classic Tan and then mixing these on the days that I want more of a medium to full coverage. So now I'm just gonna dab this in with my beauty sponge. I like using the sponge more than a brush just because it does leave a more natural finish. I always go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Classic Tan, I believe. I'm out of the medium beige, which is my normal color. So you'll see I have like some random lighter concealer here that I'm just mixing it because I find that the Classic Tan concealer is a little too dark. It's pretty much my same skin tone. So I have to add something a little bit lighter when I'm out of that medium beige. I usually don't set my concealer because it just makes me look so old. I don't know, it feels like my makeup is like caked on when I set my concealer. So I usually don't. I gotta find something that doesn't crease because that's usually the issue with my concealer. Now I'm just gonna contour with my regular e.l.f. bronzer. I believe it's called St. Lucia. And then I'm going in with, I believe, a TG blush. For my highlighter today, I'm using this Dermablend Glow Creator. I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones and then I believe also above my eyebrows. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Tarteist Pro palette. I just mixed like two colors together and called it a day. I think it was like this mauve color and an orange color. I don't have the names right now, but I just dabbed those together and put them all over my eyelid, and that was that. For mascara, I want to say I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I absolutely love that mascara. Almost as much as I like the Maybelline Classic like green and pink one, but that L'Oreal Lash Paradise is really awesome. This is the NYX Micro Pencil in Espresso. This is usually my go-to when I run out of this or I go to the store and they don't have this. I usually switch back and forth between the L'Oreal Micro Pencil in dark brunette, but I found that I like the NYX one a lot better. Now I haven't used this in a while, but I saw it at Walmart and thought I'd pick it back up. This is the e.l.f. It's like a brow and a clear lash gel. I usually use both sides on my eyebrows, and that's just to kind of get the hairs in place. I think it keeps my eyebrows looking good longer. So I usually throw both sides on. I never use it on my actual eyelashes, and now I'm just cleaning it up with some more concealer, and then I'll just blend it all out. This was actually one of those Sephora gifts. It's like a Tarte lip stain, I want to say. It's in this nudish color. I absolutely love it. I almost forgot that I had it. I just saw it in my drawer this morning and threw that on. But I like the way it looked with this look because it just makes me look a little bit more youthful when I try to wear a nude lip versus a dark lip, especially with a darker shirt. It just makes me look older. So nude lipped it is. Now with my hair, I think I've had my hair like this for a couple of days at this point. So I'm just gonna straighten the front of my hair and then fix the bun in the back, and we are gonna call it a day. I usually don't do too much with my hair. I'm not really sure what to do with it most days. So when I saw this little style on YouTube, I was really excited because I didn't have to touch it for a few days. And then I'm just gonna like puff up this ponytail and put it in a bun and pin that down. But I thought it was pretty cute. So, and it was super easy. And like I said, I didn't have to actually do my hair every day. So anything that keeps my hands out of my head, I am all for. Now I'm just gonna tie down my edges for a few minutes so they dry, and that is it. That is the finished look. It wasn't anything too crazy. I just wanted to put in a little extra effort this morning. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more get readies with me, just leave me a note down in the comment section. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.